All right, well this beauty's has come out of the package here. It's a Jokerz Eaton, same supercharger style that what I had. Obviously here's the chunks left over from the previous one, but this one is a freshly rebuilt, ported, and obviously painted unit, so it looks really sweet, and I'm excited to get that in there. You can see at least on the bottom what kind of port work has been done. You can see there's still just a few specks of the coating left behind, but that's no problem. And then the previous owner, whoever it was of this guy, had, my buddy bought this out of like Iowa or something, I think. But anyway, had filled the silencer hole ports. And so Brett looked that over, said it was good to go. So he didn't even bother pulling it out of there. And so if it's good by him, good by me. So anyway, this is obviously a ported plenum then too. You can see the work that's been done there. So as of right now, I have to get this plenum off of here. Normally I would love to keep this shut and perfectly sealed as he sent it to me. However, I'm going to do some different lines here to make this engine bay look a little cleaner, and part of those is I need to tap this fitting right here for the idle air control. And I'll probably tap this back one here too, possibly, so we'll just see. But anyway, we're gonna have to take the plenum off quick. All right, so real quick, I pulled the plenum off so you guys could see what's going on inside here. Everything looks really great. Obviously, access to the rotors is the important part, so that's why that's all kind of hogged out. And so you can compare that to your own blower and you'd see a pretty significant difference. So anyway, also this actual area is larger, but I just wanted to get that taken apart so I could kind of see how that would all work and get things ordered. But it sure looks nice, and I'm excited to get this thing on there again.